Hey everyone, it's Kyler with Torklift. I have an awesome surprise for you today. It's a brand new product from Torklift. This is gonna revolutionize the way that you mount your camper to your truck's anchor points. Check this out. All right, the product that I'm showing you today is a frame-mounted, heavy-duty anchor point system that's gonna replace your factory-installed cargo anchors that are designed for light-duty use only. Okay, so I'm ready to load up my camper now. So I'm gonna go to my anchor point, I'm gonna twist, remove the cap. The anchor point is going to stay in the upright position until I'm done. I'll go over to all these corners and do the exact same thing. All right, so now that you've seen the brand new tie-down system from Torklift, I bet you're wondering, well, how do I connect it to my camper? Well, we have a brand new system that is a quick disconnect turnbuckle that you can see the tension indicator at the top. With this system, you'll know exactly when you have 300 pounds of tension, when there's a 1/4 inch of separation from the turnbuckle. Now this version is a quick disconnect, but we actually have multiple options, like this one here. It's not quick disconnect, but it's fairly easy to turn. It's like a spring load XL if you're familiar with our other products. And you just turn it until you see the separation between the body and the head of the turnbuckle. So when you're working in those tight spaces, you can see exactly how much tension you have with your Torklift turnbuckles. I'm gonna show you how those work now. If you guys have any questions, just call us at 800-246-8132.